So this is the newest Hotwheels car. I just picked this one up today. It's a brand new BMW i8. So I saw this car there last Friday, but I ended up getting two different cars. So I finally got this one today, so let's open it up. So here's the BMW i8, but before we open it, this one's really cool because most Hot Wheels cars just have the basic interior. But recently they're getting really good with the interior. So this one you can see it has almost like the BMW M individual interior. It has a nice peanut butter almost like a brownish red interior. It's really well done for, I didn't expect it on an i8. So it looks really good with the blacked out wheels, and it has the matching card. So we're just gonna open this car up so you can see it. Look how nice that is. So further though, I might detail this. The one thing I'd say is I might paint the hood and the back, because I think they're really good with the matching black wheels to do. But other than that, this is a really cool model car. So it's got the blacked out wheels, it's got the black side skirts, it's got a sparkly silver space gray type of paint on it. And this is the Roadster variant, so this one has the nice sport back on it, versus the coupe, which is, I like the Roadster more, so there's that. And then this one has the sport bumper on it, your typical BMW grille. Maybe eventually I'll paint the headlights on the grille. I wish those were painted, but they didn't paint them because they did the full interior. So usually it's one or the other, but this is still really nice. Has the tinted windows, has the full back. So maybe even I'll add a license plate to it. This one has the full BMW i8. It says X Drive. Has the full rear headlights and everything. Here's how it looks. So I've got maybe 50 BMWs in my collection, but this is the first i8 I've ever seen in a Hot Wheels car. I did see they had a black i8 as well, but this one I just thought the paint looked so cool I had to get this. So that was just the first look at the first i8 in my collection. So here's what it looks like so you can kind of see it. And yeah, thanks for watching.